First, for your eyeshadow, you want to make sure that you apply a colorful base. So I am using an orange base for the orange eyeshadow, and I'm going ahead and I'm blending it with a flat brush. Then I'm going to go ahead and get a fluffy brush and just make sure that it's really blended out before I apply shadow. And we are good to go, girl. So now I am getting the orange eyeshadow and I am applying that all over my lid with the same flat brush I used to blend it out, just to make sure it like really is opaque, the color. And then I'm gonna go ahead and get a fluffy brush and I'm gonna go ahead and blend that out with some more orange eyeshadow, and I added a little bit of red just to add some dimension to the crease. I already went ahead and applied the liner and my face makeup. If you guys want a tutorial, let me know, but I had it in other tutorials. I'm going ahead now and I'm getting a little tiny detail brush and I'm applying the same orange base in my waterline, and I am blending it out with some orange eyeshadow with a tiny tapered brush. And I will list all my products that I use in this video down below if you guys want to check it out. Now I am applying an inner corner highlight, and I love this highlight. I think it's discontinued. That's the only thing. I'm really sad. But yeah, you're just going to pop a blinding highlight in the inner corner because you want to look cute but still be, you know, like Halloween at the same time. And then now I am going to draw out the triangles. And before you go in with paint or liner, whatever you decide to use, I am going ahead and I'm using a light brown eyeshadow to map it out. That's the safest way you can go about this look, because if you use liner or paint right off the bat, you might mess up, and it's really hard to try and fix a look that's already like been done. And I don't want you guys to have any of a hard time doing that. So go ahead and just use a shadow and then you will be good. And then after the shadow, you will be lining it with paint or liner like I said. And I skipped that part just because I wanted to make sure I did it very precise, and I wanted to look closely in the mirror and make sure I did a good job. And then after you make the triangles, you are getting a little tiny shader brush and you are getting a dark orange eyeshadow just to bring some depth and to blend the line out, because you don't want the lines to look harsh. You actually want them to look kind of blended and just soft out. You want your face to look like a gradient, and that's really what I wanted this look to go for. So just bring it in, and then you see the spaces. I went ahead and got like a nude color eyeshadow just to like make it pop. And then I am doing the same thing to the nose. I'm doing the triangle, then I'm going to line it out with paint, then I'm going to shade it in with the orange shadow that I used, and then I'm popping a little tiny highlight on the tip of my nose to bring the triangle to stand out more. So yeah, it's a really simple look. I think you guys will really like it if you guys try it out. I hope you guys do. And if you guys do try out this look, please tag me in your looks. It would mean the world to me. This is one of my favorite looks I've done. I've been really happy with my Halloween looks this year. I'm like pretty proud of myself. And now you are going to go ahead and start making your whole bottom half of your face orange. And how you're going to do that is you're going to get a peach eyeshadow. So not orange, light orange. No, you're going in with a peach, and you are going to get a fluffy brush and you are going to blend that from your cheekbone to your nose and all the way to the other side of your cheekbone. So this is going to be a gradient. And then I'm getting a light orange eyeshadow that kind of has a hint of peach, and I'm blending that into the middle part. And then I'm going to go ahead and get an orange shadow and then put it beneath that. Next, I am using the same orange base that I used for my lids, and I am putting that from my chin, and then I'm working my way up as I go. You don't want to use too much of this because it is very opaque as it is, and you really want to go for a blended look. And I am using the same fluffy brush, and I am just blending that out. And you could see I was like filling it. I was like, okay, it's coming out cute. Now I am drawing out the jack-o'-lantern smile, and I am going ahead and I am using a black, or not black, I'm using a dark brown eyeshadow this time, and I'm mapping out how I want the smile to look before I go ahead and use paint. And if you guys are wondering how you want to do your smile, if you guys do this look, just look up jack-o'-lantern smiles or pumpkin smiles and look up the template of that on Google, and you should find something that you would like. I just saw like the first picture that popped up and I was like, all right, I'm using that. And now I am going ahead and I am using paint to draw out the smile. Then I went ahead and I got a very black eyeshadow, and I'm getting a tiny shader tapered brush, and I am just filling in the lines from the outside and inwards. And then I went ahead and got black lipstick for my lips, just so my makeup on my lips doesn't transfer, like if I wanted to wear it throughout the night. That's the best way to go about this look. So like if you guys are planning on drinking or eating or whatever, you guys will be good to go for the whole night. And you kind of want it to look blended out and kind of messy. You don't want this look to be neat at all. And I didn't want the smile to be neat either. I kind of wanted it to be a little messy. And then once you guys complete this part, the look will be done. Just pop them some lashes and you guys will be good to go for this look. And that is it. I hope you guys like this look and try it out, and please tag me if you guys do. I love you guys so much.